Okay, so let's get started because I think there's a lot of things to talk about here. So let's dive into it. So this will be the overview of what we're going to cover today. So the first thing is like 5 keys to finding a winning product, which is really important. And then we're going to dive into 3 methods, 3 free methods, keep in mind, to finding the winning products itself. And then we're going to cover afterwards 3 paid methods. And actually, these are paid methods that I use as well to finding winning products. And when we get to the very end, we'll talk about the Chinese New Year that we're in the middle of, and the coronavirus that's in the middle of, and the U.S. Shipping options that we should be thinking about. So the next we're going to talk about is the 3 methods of finding winning products. And this is how it breaks it. We'll break it down, and we're actually going to show a lot of these steps right now, but just so that you guys have as a quick summary, the 3 methods is going to be using these 3 things. 1 is a method that's using Facebook. 2 is a method that's using AliExpress, and 3 is a method that's using Shopify. And we're going to dive into the actual examples here. So let me exit out of the full screen mode. So, and let me know that you guys can still see my screen. Okay. And so let's dive into using the Facebook ads, or Facebook. And actually, I have a slide for it here. So hopefully you guys can still see it, but this will make it easier for me to go through. Let me raise that up, make it bigger. So 3 methods to finding winners using Facebook. The first one is you want to tell Facebook that you're an engaged shopper. So the first method is that you want to tell Facebook that you're an engaged shopper. And we're going to dive into that right now. So let's see. Very good. Awesome. Hey, welcome, bro. Now, the way that you're going to do that, so like I said, so we're going to tell Facebook that you're an engaged shopper. And this is a really clear and easy example, is that you want to, in your own Facebook feed, so in your own Facebook feed, you're going to see these different type of offerings. And let me just click into one as an example here. It's not about playing the video, but what we want to do is actually, in our own Facebook feeds, we're going to be clicking, you probably see it in your own feed, but you're going to be clicking like the Shop Now button. So when you click on the store to actually shop and buy this thing, you're going to be taken in here, and you want to then go through and follow the actual steps. So this person is selling something, and just by at a glance of it, you can tell, yeah, this is a Shopify store that's selling something. You can tell by the layout, it looks like the Brooklyn theme as I'm scrolling through here. So it's just like, okay. And hey, look, it has the looks reviews that's in here as well. So if you guys been through any of the previous workshops, that you've probably seen these type of things, right? You set up the store, you get the product, got the looks reviews, the layout. So this person's doing it, has some social proof there. But aside from all that, what we want to do is actually tell the pixel. And if you could see on my screen here, and I'm sharing my screen, there's a Chrome plugin, and this is something that you guys want to make note of. The Chrome plugin called the Facebook Pixel Helper is that you'll see that this will actually track the pixels. So you can see that already the events that took place just by coming here, that it was a page view content, which tells Facebook, which tells that store owner that you just engaged with their site. So you went from their ad, engaged with their site, and then what you want to do is like even take it a step further, is just to say, okay, I'm going to buy this product, and this is then going to add it to the shopping cart. So now it's going to tell Facebook, if you can see here, I click on the Facebook Pixel Helper again. What did it just do? It said I initiated a checkout. And if I expand this further, hopefully you guys can see the screen that that I initiated the checkout, and man, they're selling this thing for $1,000.
And this person is this
crazy.
person is drop shipping actually in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
Oh, the
actually,
currency is PHP.
Yeah.
So whatever PHP means. So they're from the Philippines, but it looks like they don't have a automatic currency converter that says, "Hey, I'm shopping from the U.S." So that's a tip there, that you want to make sure that, okay, you're not buying it there. But what this does, it's letting the store owner know that that you engaged. Now you don't need to check out, and there's actually a hack that you can do to actually initiate like an actual checkout without actually checking out. Like, you can actually hack the Facebook pixel using the Chrome Dev Tools. I won't go into that right now. It's kind of like it's like a hack, and it goes a little bit too technical. But you can, if you want to tell Facebook, hey, I'm not only a person that goes to check, but I actually purchased it. Facebook will think you purchased it, even though you didn't. So if you guys are interested in that, I'd say if you guys are interested in that tip, go ahead and send me a message, and I'll do like a separate video for that. But it's an actual Chrome DevTools hack that you can actually simulate that you purchased, but you actually didn't. Okay,
and that's just either entire like the checkout pages or
yeah. So and I'll show you the steps involved, but there's a thing that's called the Chrome Developer Tools, and there's a process in the console app here that you can actually trick the Facebook pixel using this using that pixel helper in the DevTools. You can actually trick it to actually say that, okay, you purchased it. And then what's Facebook gonna do? It's gonna give you more feeds, thinking because you're a purchaser. It's gonna give you more ads, more feeds, because it thinks you're not just going to the checkout, but you actually purchase. But it's a few technical steps that it's not real easy to get through right now. But if you're interested, I'd say send me a message. And I apologize about the background noise, because we actually lost the room that we had earlier, and that's why we're operating now here in the open space. So there's people that are walking around, a little noisy. But I'll bring the mic closer to me, so hopefully you can hear me okay online. Okay, so going back to the slides here, that first bullet point was all about telling Facebook that you're an engaged shopper. Now, the second thing.
Wasn't that amazing? I'm telling you, man, I hope that was helpful for you. My goal is to help you get more sales in drop shipping. And check this out. I put something even more special for you. I put together this amazing guide. I call it the 3 keys on how to take the guesswork out of finding winning products. It's the ultimate resource guide to finding winning products for drop shippers just like you. And I put this together. It's free. It came from a recent event that I did teaching people in Chicago. There's over 250 members here in our Chicago group. And I put this together and I saved it to give it away to you for free. It contains the full video and an ultimate resource guide that you can download. So this is really amazing. I'm excited about it. Now, why am I doing this? Because I believe this information should be for free, and I'm helping people get started in drop shipping. I want to help you avoid the fakes out there and keep it real. I want you to avoid those Lambo gurus that are scamming people, and I want you to follow real tactics from professional drop shippers. So this is what I put together. It's a collection. I call it the ultimate guide, and it's something that I'm going to be giving away to you for free. All you need to do is click on the link or go to products.techmoneytalks.com. Go to products.techmoneytalks.com. So I'm giving this to you for free, and I'm hoping you can return the favor by maybe leaving an awesome review for the Tech Money Talks podcast, or maybe doing a shout out on Instagram, or maybe sharing it with somebody. Be a friend to somebody who needs it, So share it with somebody who needs it. And then also, even better yet, you can give me one of these.